Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Basically, today we got another review for you guys. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's open the box and see which one this one is. There we go. As you can see, these are the dunks. What are these called? The University Red, the St. John. Everyone got a different name for these ones, but I call them the Bloods. So these are the Dunk Bloods, or the University Reds, or the St. John's colorway. As you can see, these are just some nice plain dunks. You got the red bottoms, you got the white, the match the white, and then the red. The leather quality, as you can see, very nice leather. You got the nice Nike embroidery at the back, the red with the white writing dunk. As you can see, my pair I have not worn yet. I'm still waiting to wear these ones. There we go. Let me take a good thumbnail for you guys. So you got the nice lace with a nylon tongue. That is this one. That's how they look from the front. Yeah, these came out last year as well with the coronavirus. I still have not had a chance to wear these, so they are dead stock. Comes with some extra laces as well. Some white laces, which is nice. Now they don't give any extra laces with the new dunks for some reason, but yeah, good quality dunks. These are like a regular everyday dunks. You can rock them on a daily. So yes, I would highly recommend these. Unfortunately, the retail was only £90, which was a lot of Ugandan dollars, but now the resale is crazy on these ones as well. You're looking at about £300, which is a lot of Ugandan dollars. But if you like the shoes and you want to grab them, then grab them, because the value will only go up. As always, guys, if you like the video, I'm going to try and make some more reviews for you guys. Some more shoes, some more sneakers, some more trainers, like we call them in the UK. We call them the trainers. But yes, as always, guys, if you like the review, then like the review. I'm going to catch you on the next one. And as always, bye.